You made it through. Congratulations. Now you have all the knowledge to be a confident pilot out in the field. Remember to practice. That is the most important part. You have the knowledge, but you don't have the skill yet. Practice, 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 and make sure all of your pilots do the same. We also have lots of resources at your fingertips, like the Ag Spray Drones in North America Facebook group, which is a peer-to-peer networking system which you can communicate and get information directly from other pilots using these drones in the field. We have our YouTube channel, which we are putting lots of content on, educational and new product content. We have our Knowledge Hub, which is filled with articles and documents that we create to help you repair the drone, fly the drone, and learn more about the drone itself. And of course, we have our email newsletter, which we fill with new products, new testing results, and everything about the drone industry itself. Make sure to sign up for that, check those resources, practice more, and stay safe out there. Good luck.